Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are learning about a best freelancer skill to learn in 2026 for high paying income. Okay, and let's start this video. Best freelancer skill to learn in 2025 for high income. Freelancer is not a backup plan and anymore it becoming a dream path for people who want freedom, control and real growth in their creator career. This is the moment to level up your skill, which will help you to generate high income source for you. You should always focus on freelancing if you who don't have time to do work and you want to live life your life what to need. Okay. Why freelancing will grow even faster in 2026 for high income. You should always focus on one skill, make yourself perfect on that field. This will help you to grow your future in next coming generation. And companies want skilled people, not full-time employees. Hiring full-time staff is expensive. Training, salaries, office space, and management cost. Companies prefer hiring freelancers who are experts and can deliver quickly. Remote work has become a global standard for high income. After 2020, remote work changed everything. By 2026, most businesses are comfortable working with global talent online. AI is helping freelancing work faster. This is uh, because AI is very easy and fast to use in case of random work. Skill are best in from degree. Companies are more companies care more about what you can do, not your paper qualification. Skill based hiring is the new normal. Okay, best high income freelancer skill to learn in 2020 skill 6. Here are top skills that will dominate the freelancing world in 2026. Pick one, master it you and you can start earning high income quickly. Okay. AI and automation skill high highest demand. Coming generation generating in their skill will explode in demand. AI prompting engineering top high income. This is one of the is said yet highest paying skill today. Promote engineers create command that help AI tool produce better content, image, code, ads, and more. Why it's high income? Using skill in right workplace can make you help to earn more money. Earn 15,000 and euro or to 20 20 lakh euro per project. Okay. AI AI chatbot building chat GPT could boards. Business can want a chatbot that can talk to customers, answer queries, and even sell products. You can create a chatbot for e-commerce store, services business, restaurant, personal brand, and startups. okay, and earn $20,000 to 1,50,000 per chatbot. Okay, AI content and a video creation expert, high income demand. AI tool like Runway, Midjourney, Pika, Sora, Descript, and Canva AI are in high demand. If you know how to create, add short videos, explainer videos, and product graphics, you can earn a lot. Or earn $30,000 to $1 lakh per project. AI power app development. AI app productivity, AI app and business app are trending. If you learn app development with AI integration, your demand will skyrocket. Earn in $1 lakh to 15 lakh per app. Oh wow. Digital marketing best for high income. No business can succeed without digital marketing, and in 2026, business want marketers who understand AI plus data plus strategy. Okay, performance marketing in Meta ads, Google ads. Business pay a big money to freelancer who can bring lead and sale. Earn $20,000 to $1 lakh per month per click per client. Okay. SEO plus AI SEO tools specialist reach high income. SEO is one of the most powerful freelance skill. If you help a brand rank high on Google, you become a long-term asset. Earn $50,000 to $1,20,000 per month per client. Email marketing. Companies want email follow like welcome series, abundant cart, sales funnels, and newsletters, and re-engagement campaigns. Earn $5,000 to $50,000 per project. Social media management plus AI tool. This is a beginner friendly and high demand service. You can manage content, design posting, customer interaction, and analytic for brand. Earn $8,000 to $14,000 per month per client. Creative and content skill perfect for artist people. Creativity is always valuable, but no AI help boost your output. AI enhance video editing. Short video dominate social media. If you know how to edit viral style content, your demand will be hug $15,000 to $1 lakh per month. Short form content creation, reel, short, TikTok brand want attention, garbing reel and short videos. If you can and shoot plus script plus edit, use AI, you can build a big client base. $20,000 to $1,20,000 per month. Okay. A graphic designer plus AI tool. Graphic designer who use tools to like Midjourney, Canva AI, Adobe, Firefly, delivery fast and more creative work. Earn $5,000 to $15,000 per project. UI and UX design startup SaaS companies and app always need UI and UX experts. Earn $50,000 to 30 lakh 30 lakh dollar per project. Okay. And business and consulting skills, premium income. These like are for those who like solving problem and dealing with a client at a strategy. Okay, this is the all type of online earning in 2020-26. How to learn these skills step by step. Start with free resources. Take an affordable premium courses. Partake daily. Practice daily. Create a strong portfolio. Start small on freelancing in platform. Improve every month. Okay, how much can freelancer earn in 2020-26? Beginner $10,000 to $14,000 per month. Intermediate $14,000 to 1 lakh per month dollar. Advanced expert $1 lakh to 50 lakh per dollar per month. 5 lakh 1 lakh to 5 lakh dollar per month. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and press on the bell icon for every new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.